Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. In today's video we're just going to be going over 7 hardy, evergreen, easy to care for ferns. These are great for sort of your ground cover, some sort of interest during winter as well, and great if you are looking to fill that kind of bit of a shadier space. So just as we come down along this way, just jump right to the first one here, which is going to be your Blechnum spicant. Again, hardy down to about -20°C. Lovely foliage on it. Does take a little bit of browning, as you can see on here, but once again, pretty much hardy and evergreen for us pretty much anywhere throughout the UK. Great little cover. Once again, if you're looking for something to give a little bit of a different interest, and again, it's a little bit of a unique shape when it comes to the frond, not quite your standard or what you generally think about for ferns, but again, something quite nice, very easy to grow, easy to care, sort of part shade to full shade on this one, and again should do absolutely fine in sort of most gardens. Just down here we've actually got a different one, something slightly different. So this is your Asplenium or hart's tongue fern, but this is the crested version. As you can see on the top here, slightly different style of leaf, almost like a crown. We've got another one to show you coming up, which again has a similar attribute to it, but another one to think about. Again, -20°C on these, very easy to grow once again, and again, like most soils, clay, thing like that. So once again, very easy to get your kind of ground cover from that. As we come down here, we've got Susumensis. Now with this one here, again, Korean rock fern, very nice kind of very traditional fern look to it, but it has almost like a veining, if you can see there. Quite a nice fern, and once again, very easy to grow. You see the new fronds just coming out down here. Lovely little fern on that side. One I definitely recommend if you are looking to, again, add a bit of kind of ground cover, something a bit different. And again, with all of these varieties here, guys, you are going to be able to take these down to around about the -20°C. So it should be absolutely hardy for us. Just as we come down this way, show you another couple ones here. So this is another one that is similar to your crested style. So this is your Cristata the King, Theropterus Cristata the King, and you can just see again right on the edge of that lovely veining, but also it's got that brilliant little kind of crested, almost like a crown on the top of the frond here. Again, lovely if you're looking for something slightly different, you know, not your kind of standard traditional fern. You see just behind it here, we've got another one of the Blechnum spicants. This is the traditional hart's tongue fern that we just had a look at, the crested version. And once again, you know, something different, doesn't quite look sort of fern-like, but again, absolutely hardy and evergreen. Another great choice if you're looking to kind of pair this sort of as an underplanting or somewhere on the kind of shadier side. Coming this way, we have got the tassel fern. It almost reminds you of kind of like a rabbit's foot when you have a look at the kind of new fronds here. This one, the tassel fern, again, evergreen and also hardy, and that should be hardy for most of the UK. You can just see the newish frond coming out here, a bit lighter green, and your older fronds. Now with these, typically I find with the hardy ferns, if you do kind of feel the frond, it will be a bit more leathery and a bit kind of stiffer than you'll typically find on like a really kind of soft fern. Lovely fern on that side, lovely attributes, and again, something slightly different, just a different look. Again, another one that can do sort of part sun, full shade. Again, most of these ferns here, you're going to be looking to keep them in quite a moist kind of growing environment, as they do prefer kind of moist rather than fully drying out. We've got the Theropterus Aerosaura Brilliance. Now this one isn't showing its color at the moment, and I'll see if I can put a picture on screen for you of this one. But when the new fronds come out, they come out kind of a yellowy golden color. Beautiful little fern, and again, been absolutely evergreen for me, and should be in most of your gardens here in the UK. You can just see looking down here, we have got the Polysticum neobaltum, and you can see the lovely new little fronds on that. And again, I love the interest you get, the different ferns. You can see the kind of new fronds coming out in all different kind of manners here. The Catromium fortunei. Now this is hardy down to about -10, so it should be hardy for most people in the UK. But you see the new frond there? It's quite a cool little frond there. But again, hopefully these will give you some ideas as to what kind of, you know, easy ground cover you can add to your garden. Once again, kind of a plant and forget, and it gives you that lovely kind of evergreen backbone here. But with that said, if you have not checked out the friends of the channel, be in the comment section below. And of course, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.